andu no urehe mutumia wa keri in the first place how ona hatiri wendo angikondo kurehe wa keri si you choose two man you pate bibi 10
but is it wrong kurehe mutumia wa keri where is it wrong
no are hu ni wendo
ono twabere turakihitania
tika force gure bia ugi 10 ukira wewe ungisagura ki love
ya kuhura I understand it really. Money can solve everything. But without love, first of all, love, to carry away, even self-love, haiko. Even self-love, haiko.
But you love yourself.
How? We're talking generally about love.
Yes.
Even that's self-love in a lack.
But now it's loving others. Loving yourself is the basis of loving others.
Yes.
I'm saying love ya kukua na boyfriend. Mnasema love general.
All the love.
All the love you can.
All round love.
It is taken away from you.
And then
if you don't have love, what do you have?
Money.
Then money.
Yes,
What will this money solve for you?
I will do
that will make you happy, and you can never achieve happiness without love.
You can buy happiness.
How?
When you alikudanganya ati money cannot buy happiness.
Satisfaction ile haoneke.
Teru no na thaisi.
Ni self-worth ile haoneke.
No na thaisi nigetha witike love can buy happiness.
Money.
Thaisi kode na bia. Kindu kiria ndirerireria kuria thaisi ni pizza ige ya ngiri 3. Nona nikapata hiyo pesa. Happiness. Kwani happiness ni nini?
Nadikiriria. Nona thaisi.
Kufanya vitu unapenda.
Thaisi ni nani mwesiria kwa tofauti mono. Nona pesa ile kinegero njikeje kirike ba mwesiria thaisi. Ati dokada negero bia you are just given choose any amount and just get one product. Nona. No gure ginya yach. Nona. But if I'm not in dire na wendo thini wa yachio dina ruo meaning if dire na wendo ri ni kiundu kingi kirangia I am in the opposite of love. So ona dageria gwika atia ni in hatred. Why should I be a hateful billionaire?
Yeah, ona billionaires matikora gwandu akwenda na by the way.
Segment ile to Kiuria na Kiuria kana would you rather. Haya, so would you rather umenye kihumo ya gikuo giaku kana umenye ugakuari umenye niki gigakuraga you stop it kana umenye muthenya uria ugakua
ni yakwa kaba menya kiria gikajuraga kaba menya kiria gikajuraga
niki
tondu no hote ku react to that but tena ni fate. How can I change fate?
So would you rather know
how can you change fate?
You cannot change fate, but you can
alter.
Yes. Umesema hapo dunia.
Ile dauga atiriri muno ingimenya kiria gikanjuraga ri no ni react in a way I avoid. Yes.
No agiuka itakiri. Ni kaba menya ngakua ri. Eni.
Todo yetumi kira yotomo kwe itira fata mo.
Todo ndama gukwa no mwaka ngagikua no kono kira gigatuma ngweri. Riu ri ndingimenya ri ndibanga.
Ni kaba menya kiria gikanjuraga ri. At least how no gerie juchini to avoid that line.
Ti mwalimu ti.
Reria.
Ndio gakua. Muthenya uroga.
Nigetha live fully.
Eni.
Yolo sasa.
Yolo na weke maundu maria you want
everything yenye nimeitaka kufanya na sijaifanya. Wanakafa ginye. Ginye tu ginye.
Niye kafa menye muthenya uroga gakua.
Okay.
Kafa menye asa kafa menye kile kikajura kigijuraga. Nigetha ni ako ni kindu kigijurage handu hana.
You avoid that line.
You know.
No manya no thina ndiriri kwina indo tangi avoid
dramenya nire kindu kiure no kiuke
no
oheto chance ya kumenya ri that means ni privilege kumenya riri I can avoid this line
for example
so no hote ku alter riri your death day ume extend
ai yes mwasagura njoru
Asa raha.
Ati ureka kumenya kirege gakuraga nigetha.
Uheto opportunity ya riri. You get to know the day you will die.
Yes.
Kana kirege gakuraga. So that means if you know the day you will die, automatically ndamenya ni muthenya ucio gakua. Kirege gakuraga wamenya ri. So yes.
Assuming ni cancer. What will you prevent for you?
You will.
You cannot prevent.
Cancer na prevent na mwirire.
Hizo genetic kujui ni za wapi, like zingine si chakula inaleta. Shene iragia cancer si tunini na ni iraria wega ri.
Dakora everybody no na mwiri wa mundu othe ukoragwo na cells icio thini wake. Yes. But they are minute and inactive.
But unajua siku hizi cancer iletu ya titu na chakula. Siku hizi cancer
na maundu maigi kinya lifestyle. Ona lifestyle ni ramata. But given a chance at menye cancer ni gejuraga, I will avoid it by all means.
Yes.
How? Godie kimo. Godio. Todo wero ni cancer gakuraga ri iyo gutire. Unajua unaambiwa. Unajua? Hawa waelewi. Thikire amatira nyita Kiuria. Kirege. Kororia tiriri kaba umenye muthenya uria ugakua kana kirege gako riu ri aya ri mareciria tiriri wa menya no avoid tutirero ati ni uku avoid hapa.
Okay, tutieto option ya gutiriga ati no ehere
eni.
Okay, utaheto option yothe ri I will still say ni digeda kumenya tiriri agakua digeda. I would rather know niki gikajuraga
because of your death.
Eni
Nigetha
si ndio kama you see you
ni wacha nisijui nikaa hivi peacefully nikijua the day whatever way Lord I am ready.
Leo tuimagine tiriri ati ni hakinya uratara 345 days 344 days 343 days
live
and but do you know no menya kidai gakuraga na ona wikira na kiumia ka ginya 50
ni kwaja kuma menye atikiria after death life ni beautiful.
Life is beautiful actually
gikoro haha tigikimakia ati gakua ruci
apart from at the question ire death is an illusion. Ati baile okay rotere you just have 4 months nikio gweka within 4 months nikio gweka
travel like near gweka maundu mari unaona purpose
anything yenye you feel
lime miss kwa ile
but do you have option ya riri that you are funded at in finances ni
you don't need funding but then you know to travel you don't need even funding
hapa naweza Asia
Jori tabu
una Asia kidogo unakopa watu uende mtachanga kwani
Jori tabu ngori yeterere andu mogaga ati traveling you don't need funding you don't need money tajira kuri oguthiire na mukawa cio ri uthi kuri hana hope
tomo kome mukawa
aya kuguthie kambiri you need a place with security
but of course ogethie kuutia ati nduri na something small
at the end of the day no ote go travel the world you need either you have your own source era go take through andu matitumago uguo thiko ici ni matikiria
iko ni kari ki kai waya ni andu mari hage kai niki
utigire andu nuri we muragani makirie
you have lived your life
fully
there's nothing like living fully there there's nothing like living your life fully watutigira mathi watigira ciana ciaku mathina
ciana ni karoro ni maithe
kila mtu
watigira ciana mathina dutani okay ambitions ciaku ikorwo cicia riri I can do anything ati ciana ciakwa igaikara wega ikeno kirita korirwo na kio ngirerwo ri ngacihe nona I'm not that selfish with life no nyende ciero rokorwo ikara wega and legacy yako eture miaka na miaka ukirenya ni rathie utanore kiuria kiu he andone ta post kandikitwo atiriri ati mundu enda kwiyuraga andikite ni akwiyuraga mwiri tugire ka mu comment ra kwa atiri si akamwira si unifulizie kwanza
ni ukienda sisi unajua una madeni
wafuatangi family
afuatangi sio yalikopa next
haya would you rather warie ma na andu mage gwitikia warie mahindi ciothe na andu mage gwitikia kana warie maheni na andu mage gwitikia
I prefer truth anytime any day
na andu matiga gwitikia
ni marege kujitikia I have played my part
me too the truth will always set you free
It's on you. Kwa kuetekea kana kwa kuetekea.
It's on you. Bora nimesema my truth.
But then mimi I am peaceful the fact that nimeongea tu kweli.
Mutenda utika
asa nedi kwenda ukasongo. You know one thing, delivering no one thing and you receiving is another thing. Niye ndirahetwo obligation ya ku deliver the truth to you. Whatever you do with it, whether you believe it. Yes.
Haya, would you rather lose ability yako ya samaido na kunugira ido? Sawa. For the rest of your life. Kana ability yako ya kuona na kumenya hindi rahe ndio. Na kana kwiroma.
Ti kuona
taste.
Would you rather lose your ability ya ku taste ido na ku smell? Sawa? Kana ute ability yako kana ute
sight na kumenya kana rahenio.
Kuhanya tu.
Nitakuwa blind.
Ni obvious what sight you will be blind. Umawe
na irio taste ya thira ithi to nguria na hune ti ati ni ngukwo ni ngaragu.
Ona ni ngukora guka. Ha turaru taste ri. Ndiriyaga. So ona irio ci ruta wira mwiri.
No menya no
it's even better. Ona ndimere manyongerere riri ndikahute. Eni ukira mani ati ni ndironaga.
Ninge irio no ukigesaga uri erashamba. Taste your see of course unajua taste ya kuku. So ukikula una imagine.
I know. It's all mental.
It's all in the mind.
Ni hako hauri. Hako ri kafanda taste ya irio. Au kafanda taste ya irio ni hako.
Si ndio?
Kwa room wanasema na hii kuku leo just slap.
Si ndio? Ni tamu jua it's all in the mind.
Enjoy.
Ni kafa gote kiria.
Maido.
Saiti lu.
Now do that taste.
What ni lose? Ni smell.
Na taste.
Na taste.
So temo no mo.
Tiko dairo figo ko inugaga wega.
Ona ni nugaga wega rutirie. We.
Aya. Yo ira ya toto. Would you rather ukona wira mwega urakuriha wega? No do ende tuna hanini.
Ai, no uranyenda.
Wira.
Ndiendete wira.
Wina wira urakuriha wega no ndwendete.
Wira ni urakuriha wega no ndwendete. Ona hanini. Kana wira utarakuriha wega ona hanini. No ni passion yako.
First of all a question. No wendete kuruta wira tiga ni situation.
Niana ni tiwira nyendete ne bia jethaga.
Ithiti bia. Koguo ri. Bia reke ndute wira ucio itarenda. No ni nguona bia.
Okay. On one side ni juguga atiriri. Gwika undu ngoro yaku itari hau ri ni ukoragwo na ihinda irito because you just pass time. Na yani ukoragwo kiherithia we mwenyewe. On the other hand, passion ni kindu kiega muno when you doing what you love. No, the fact that did I promise ati ni ukandiha ri
Etika uririe
ni kama ko hena promise ati muthenya umwe ni ukandiha as in maybe merireria makwa ri ni ngoro ringi ngiona ta 500,000 na hena wira urahe 500,000 no ndiwendete no wira uria nyendete ni wa 50
ai
no ni plan yakwa ni 500,000
hau ni
na ndirahe promise ati 50 ri ni hagacenjia
hau ni ugaga life is not everything dogi
ne giuga igyo show 50
Nike igwa ndikureketie on one side ri I would hate so much gwika undu riri itarenda wanyita ni kuri kindu gitagwo contentment.
Yes.
No tuthi tukabie kuhura deal na handu pa bro. Per day we are supposed to be making 100,000. Menye turameki million ukanegera 100,000 nyambie guturwo ni ngoro wanyita na he handu ndira make just 1,000 and happy. I'll be comfortable with that 1,000 hakwa.
Makes sense.
Ni
ni jagurire terora nini wa mbere andu ara maracagura ati andu ara uthe mauga ati kaba mafsa
love see everything niko loisi uga passion see everything.
Like love is not everything. And then for me, I don't see ati mimi I don't want to work.
Have you ever been in a toxic
a big one? Yes.
Okay,
and
do you
choose that toxic
money over everything? Nitaenda holiday nitulize. But kama
hiyo itakuja kukuaffect baadaye.
No, you will heal.
How will you heal?
You will heal.
Tadikiriria ni tonete andu ingi
Agikone dahirire ku ndarire kundu ndaigatagwo
Umesema bora kuna pesa therapy huko sawa.
Si ndio? Si ati unanilipa 50,000 unakopa mtu wetu.
Hebu niulize, I hope hii swali iko hapo. I hope hii swali iko hapo. Would you rather be a billionaire and have cancer na uishi maisha yako ama you just be a normal man with just pesa tu yako ya kukutosha?
That's a disease now.
But you have money. Even mental health bado ni disease.
But let me tell you,
mental health disease
toxic haikuni affect ati forever.
That was not toxic. That was semi-toxic.
No,
we're talking about toxic.
Toxic. It was toxic. And then funny thing, it was toxic. Hado harakinya ginya nie mwenyewe drathi ngarira nyumba.
Kafori gira Range Rover ini ukira gira boda boda ini.
Me anything to chase poverty, I will heal. People go to therapy. Poverty.
But sasa the 50k you can also maximize the 50k.
Mental health comes first.
Having worked in a toxic place, I would choose 50k.
I think ni venye pia mtu amelelewa. Kama pia umelelewa kwa place toxic, unaweza
ulelewa job.
Azini
Magi. No tuke gobo ya muturire thinking that you are trying to eradicate poverty.
But can I tell you something? Bora I have money. Mimi nilikuja kutafuta. Bora niko na hiyo pesa.
Ajira tuke example. Wina wira urakuriha mbeca njega biu nduri na good relationship there icoke kore nginya rigi muciiri nduri na gikeno. How will you enjoy even spending this money
with who?
For yourself. Wina family rigi na muthuri riri
ndaraka nie nguke lose nginya muthuri ni undu wa bia. Aya
okay, hari ni ri I would say
tutiraiguana kuiguana nake no ni ndina millions. Ogwetha
ni mental health ri na gikeno ri. I think peace of mind is everything to me.
Yes.
No reke ngikwire. No ri ho icio nini.
Tare uri
unakuanga na pesa lakini sina peace of mind.
Nina ni kuri hindi ngoragwo ndina mbeca nini no ndina peace no ndarika ndire mbia ngaga peace.
Ene agwetherera.
Okuruta. Hakuna peace poa kama ya kulipa bills ukiju. No mugiri atirere comfortable money yenye unaweza afford life. Si ati unajua huku specify kama ni pesa kidogo yenye naweza afford life.
Dana ri horo corona thina. Uhoro ariri ni wira ni passion yaku ri.
Passion ndiraruta peace.
No ndre na mbeca nyingi uguo.
Mbeca gume no menya kuri wira peaceful no ni urahoya fare na we murihe. Ni ndikuruta wana ucio ati tondu ni peace. No menya kuri wira kuruta wa 50 no muico wa mweri ri ni urakofa ni de toxic de na nyingi ye digo koe ye ko una peace yako.
The next question. Dinaja already. Dinaja Lois. Would you rather
we comfortable?
No adwala we now my saying. Matira kore ka ore indo icio
na ngorie andu aya ri tio mandeheire indo ici
from friends to work
to home to everywhere you go. Surrounding yaku yothe hari hothe vicinity yaku yothe ri ni andu toxic yothe
no tio mandeheire indo ici
kana neo kana tio ri
mimi na hawa ni affect mahali
wana ku affect. What do you mean?
kama inani affect
psychologically they are affecting you. Psychologically mara ko affect tondu kuma wira-ini ri
achana na psychology
ndira troya tiri kuma wira-ini ri wina remo akudania na wira wina itonga ciaku they are toxic. Farafara-ini ri no na farafara-ini no ko ringi kuona ngari yaku githi nginya ya kunywa maguta ri andu acio nginya wathi kunywa maguta hari ori they are toxic.
Ari muri kana na kenyumba
mundu muri kana kenyumba ni toxic. Aciari aku ni toxic.
na riu ri no mwaka wikare nao
everything. You have everything.
No mwaka wikare nao.
Yes, that's why.
That's the challenge.
You know I'm talking.
That's the challenge.
Point view I'm lonely, so I know challenges za kukua lonely. Haha mundu wikaraga wiki, so I know how it feels. So nikio ndiroria atiriri oyo we na indo ciothe ri ono kwena do toxic around ri kama life yake hiyo ya kipesa bora wao tu akue toxic lakini ya affect whatever iko hapo. I would rather choose that.
So you'd rather be lonely?
No, hii niko na toxic na niko na vitu kuliko hii loneliness
but comfortable.
Wacha nikwambie ever loneliness inakuanga comfortable because loneliness inaletanga ka comfort kengine kenye si kazuri.
Mimi I would rather be lonely.
Hey. Top.
Ni kafagoro lonely.
Ngona ni
and I'm contented with life.
Yes.
Mwa godoni loneliness. What did I want loneliness that when a piece of mind disho bora uga.
Magi life ni ndio ko create.
Ota le
accept how you are. Tari heka undu kamwe jugaga. Umuthi uno ikore nduri na bia. The more you deny the fact that huna pesa, the more life becomes hard for you. But the more you make peace na the fact that nduri na bia, the more comfortable waba ya kwa adjust. Ona.
Nego.
When you like jagure todo, I don't even know whether I'm the toxic one. So I'd rather choose.
Uishi na wenzako.
Labda hata mimi ndio wananitanga toxic na sijui.
Wewe pesa halikuingirite ni haliku.
Nikio kindehete haha. Otherwise ni anatina ilo figo ciaro juu tushare tu. Yes, money. Juu mimi without money I don't want poverty. I hate poverty. Umetoka kwa poverty, you know. Poverty
but nimekuambia uchunge sana. Usiende in the name of you hate poverty, you become a slave of slave nini ya life. Juu
already life to slave.
Like for example, nido wako hate poverty re. Ta imagine ukinyete tu point rege no nene ginya sole adu anyu.
Okay, hiyo nayo siwezi. Nasema naona taruga slave, taruga isi naona kugothie America
ni dredo kigo riri. You hate poverty.
I hate it.
So if you hate poverty, you'd rather do anything to get away from it.
I won't do it. Si ni kama sahi niseme na kuchukia sana. So ati naweza ati juna kuchukia.
But hakikija hado rege
siwezi kuwa juna kuchukia.
Na one biari niko jikati na one biari.
Asa hapana.
Nikio takikani ndo abia.
Kuraga mundu one thing.
Ewe push.
Maundu maingi muno itangika ni undu wa bia ni.
Wa mbere.
Ndingiuraga. Ndinginyararithia. Ndingiohithia.
No iye.
Ni ndire muici. Ndiaga ndikaiya.
Ino.
Ikuhenania.
Kuhenania macio ni maundu makwa mekire ni there's a light that can save the day.
Yes.
Anita. But dukarekero lumiro kulituke used to. Naona. But there's a lie that can save the day. Like for example, doka dakora Pablo haha nyititwo ni andu maenda kumuhura makimwitaga muici. I just create kakitu kakudaganya haraka I save his life.
But hiyo ni mistake. Sasa hiyo inaweza.
That is not a mistake.
Kuna
some lies otakaja joni udo wasio that saves the day. But lie it's one of the greatest weapons. Sigitoma thethire.
True.
Aya, would you rather umenye languages yothe cia thi ni uraciaria wega fluently na ndui kwandika kana guthoma no ni urata kwaria sawa mwana nao Lois ni we thiomi ciothe cia thi ni kwandika ndui kwandika ni we
no ndui kwandika no ni kwaria
kana ukorwo wi mwega guthoma na kwandika guthoma na kwandika no nduri na
ndingiaria
utondeira no cigonire uma
no ci
aya rekejokera kiuri kiurais uigwe ati ujuratha ukonywe thiomi kana
many languages
yothe cia thi sawa
ni languages ciothe cia thi no na niraigua ukahota guciaria no wikira thi ndui guthoma na kwandika
sawa na kwandika sawa
ni ndanyita hau riu would rather do
you'd rather hear okay kuna listening
kusikia
kuna reading and writing
mimi nataka okay
aya Lois kiuria ni giki would you rather niwe kwaria language ciothe cia thi sawa niwe kwaria niwe iguaga
ni ndicigua languages ici
of course kuigua kwaria ni uraigua sawa ni uraria wega
no ndiratondoira
ndiratondoira kindu gikite ri ndui kwandika wikira thimu eno cio
na ndoi guthoma
na ndui guthoma.
Let me take it back again. Lois, would you rather niwe kwaria thiomi ciothe cia
ciothe
language ciothe cia thi sawa
Lois uthikiririe kiuria sawa would you rather umenye thiomi ciothe kana language ciothe cia thi no ndui kwandika na guthoma sawa kana niwe guthoma na kwandika na ki no kwaria ni watondoira piu
iyo ya mbere yo ya kumenya languages ciothe na uga
kumenya language ciothe kumenya language ciothe
na kumenya kuandika
na kumenya kuandika
na guthoma no
kumenya language ciothe ri minus kumenya kuandika na guthoma.
Kafa menye tu languages
what you do you can speak any language but you cannot do githoma do guthoma anything na do kuandika anything
no hote ni ju
kwaria ataling you are good at it
yes
na ho hena ungi na keri no ahote kuandika na guthoma no but ni stamara monene
pio me I would rather iyo ya kumenya languages ciothe tondu communication is key Tanyita tondu ariri ici languages ciothe kaba ndicimenye ni nguhota gu communicate gukira nditomo kamenye kwandika
hata mimi na choose ya kujua tondu no hote kuthie anywhere rona ora mundu arakote manye gikuyu kanini kako yako ni ya kuomba whole meal
yangu ni a whole meal ginya supper
ni hakwa kuga atiriri wa mbere stammering ni disability ni a form of disability ikoragwo ho I would rather be whole ni kaba menya ya languages ciothe na hote kwaria hakinya ni hakwandika na kiri ni ngetha mundu okay ndugamirire ukira ati I can't even speak ati I'm strain ni ndano na stammer asema maragia
hold ginya breath on their behalf uri oraigua
kuma mundu cio neteki ati ona ngimukora handu murie njira ndangikwira ndangihingura kanua tondu agutake 10 minutes gukwirira I would not rather be I would rather rekenjeragia ruga ciothe tondu na maithe maitu mari ku matie kwandika na guthoma ni maturaga ni
niguo aya nani no ingithura
ni yo no yo riu ni athurire ati ndokihura ati
no zuba ile ngalimo
ne kwatira rigwatire gwatire uge ustame
na kimani aya ana kirejeja ndijoge kiru ni ugutheka would you rather usare ndagika 10 utore usaragirwo ndagika 10 hindi ciothe kana hare hothe wathie kana wakinya 20 minutes before ugeterera urenda gweterera
rekia kiuria
ugeterera na andu makaguka
riu ni ngiri tikaba giceragirwo ni hakwa
tikaba gicererwo
tondu aiko ndacererwo
no akinya call time ni 20 minutes to time na wakinya kidogo hawatana hapa wakuji
na nginyire tene
ne ukinyire tene
kana
utore usaragirwo for 10 minutes
na maundu no maguthi na mbere
remember maundu magithiga na mbere kwina meeting imwe ru ukwirwa asa ni undu wa mathari sawa
asa kaba ha guceragirwo ni
ni nduire gucererwo
so in short would you rather utore usaragirwo kana ukinyage tene na andu makaguka
eva matika oka
ona ikana riu thina you can be doing the right thing but
at the wrong time
you're getting the negative result tondu at the end of the day ona nitobetwo muthenya umwe let's take one day at a time
yes
ha hena andu eri hena mabro ntumui ni no agucererwo at least 10 minutes always ona niwe actually tra address na hena magi akinyaga on time Lois akinya ari aria magubangite macemanie ri they don't show up mundu akuinoke murakaru
ni na ni one waste time
haya nake pabro ri aguka ringi neji explain na tumwire we This is the last warning. Then to calm down.
But the meeting will be productive. He no do happen.
Tikafagisira kidoda kai.
Tikafagisi. Ikomire. Ai. Kiuria kenge.
Na nani. Kiuria kia mwiso. Niki utagika ni undu wa wendo.
Niki itagika ni undu wa wendo. Ndingiuraga ni undu wa wendo. I will not kill for love.
Baby girl.
I will not kill for love.
Between love and money niki ugienda. Ungeruga ki?
Gaikorie cia ricuri ingia na inyu.
Between love and money.
Kusio gusagura love.
I'm trying to, first of all, Dorio Doyo, in this, I can have money, a lot of money, and no love. And I can have just enough for myself and love, and not the love I need. I will stick there anytime, any day. Lois hema udwara igno. Mental health day. Let me tell you, it's like it's like you have everything but you're in prison.
No, but you don't need love.
I need it so much.
Kwani how kwanza one it's ni mundu kanire tondu ugire he handu no urehe mutumia wa kere in the first place. How ona hatire wendo angikondo kurehe wa kere. Si you choose two man you upate bibi 10.
But is it wrong kurehe mutumia wa kere? Where is it wrong?
No, are ho ni wendo.
No, twabere turakihitania.
Tika force gure bia ugi 10. Ukira.
Acha.
Wewe ungisagura ki? Love
ya kuhura.
I don't understand it really. Money can solve everything. But without love, first of all, love, to carry holo awedori, even self-love, haiko. Even self-love, haiko.
But you love yourself.
How? We're talking generally about love.
Yes.
Even that's self-love in a lack.
But now it's loving others. Loving yourself is the basis of loving others.
Yes.
I'm saying love ya kukua na boyfriend. Mnasema love general.
All the love.
All the love you can.
All round love.
It is taken away from you.
And then?
No, if you don't have love, what do you have?
Money.
Then money.
Yes,
What will this money solve for you?
I will do
that will make you happy, and you can never achieve happiness without love.
You can buy happiness.
How?
When you alikudanganya ati money cannot buy happiness.
Satisfaction ile haoneke.
Teru no na thaisi.
Ni self worth ile haoneke.
No na thaisi nigetha witikie love can buy happiness.
Money.
Thaisi kode na bia. Kindu kiria ndirerireria kuria thaisi ni pizza ige ya ngiri 3. Nona nikapata hiyo pesa. Happiness. Kwani happiness ni nini?
Nadikiriria. Nona thaisi.
Kufanya vitu unapenda.
Thaisi ni na mwesiria kwa tofauti mono. Nona pesa ile kinegero nyigije kirike ba mwesiria thaisi. Ati dokada negero bia, you are just given, choose any amount and just get one product. Nona. No gure ginya yach. Nona. But if I'm not in dire na wendo thini wa yachio dina ruo, meaning if dire na wendo ri ni kiundu kingi kiragia, I am in the opposite of love. So ona dageria gwika atia ni in hatred. Why should I be a hateful billionaire?
Yeah, on a billionaires matikora wadu akwendana, by the way. They are hateful. Why would I want to?
It is lonely at the top.
Oh yeah. Please.
But at the end of the day, on a modus